Rhinoite is a game changer for the industry. It's titanium carbide hard facing, and we apply it to valves that are in particularly difficult erosive and corrosive environments.
The whole purpose of Rhinoite is providing a longer life for our product.
The goal of our customer is to have longer run times than their competitors. We help them to do that by having a product that takes a longer time to wear out.
When we have extreme amounts of media going at high velocities, we're trying to improve the wear resistance of the product.
We use it on valves that are going into high pressure acid leaching application. We do the welding on the OD of balls and on the seat pockets of end caps there, because that's really where you kind of are seeing your harsher environment.
What that does is provide abrasion-proof surface in a harsh application like mining, prevent any kind of leakage to ball seat.
The biggest benefit of Rhinoite is really how it stands up to wear.
Whereas traditional materials in those applications would wear out, Rhinoite actually would become harder, and the wear rate was actually slowing down the older it got.
It'll be measured in terms of years and not months, and that's the key difference. The most that we've seen is about 5 years worth of reliability, and that's unprecedented in the industry.